Hello friends, welcome again to your YouTube channel. Today, we're excited to share our review of the DoubleTree Hotel Makkah, proudly owned by the Hilton Group and strategically located within the prestigious Jebel Omar project.
Come with me, and let's take a journey through the DoubleTree Hotel Makkah. We'll show you the quality standards that set this hotel apart, from its elegant rooms to its exceptional amenities and services. Join me as we explore every aspect of this fantastic hotel and discover why it's a top choice for travelers to Makkah. Let's go!
Step into the DoubleTree Hotel Makkah and be prepared to be amazed. The state-of-the-art, latest modern infrastructure and ambience will leave you speechless. As you enter, you'll be greeted by a huge reception area, where a warm welcome drink awaits you. The friendly and cooperative staff will make you feel right at home, setting the tone for an exceptional stay. Get ready to be impressed.
Experience unparalleled convenience and comfort at the DoubleTree Hotel Makkah, located just a short 400-meter walk from the Holy Haram. This prestigious hotel offers a complimentary shuttle service to ensure a hassle-free journey for its guests. With frequent departures and a dedicated team, you can focus on your spiritual pursuits while the hotel takes care of your transportation needs. Enjoy a seamless and serene stay at the DoubleTree Hotel Makkah.
DoubleTree Hotel Makkah offers a diverse range of restaurants and cafes, catering to continental and international tastes. From local flavors to global cuisine, there's something for every palate. Enjoy a hearty breakfast, quick snack, or satisfying dinner from many dining options.
Room rates at DoubleTree Hotel Makkah vary depending on the type of accommodation you choose, whether it's a double, triple, quad, or luxurious suite. Additionally, rates may fluctuate seasonally. To ensure the best rates and a hassle-free booking experience, we recommend booking your reservation through a trusted travel agency or directly with the hotel. This way, you can guarantee a comfortable and unforgettable stay at DoubleTree Hotel Makkah.
Every wall at DoubleTree Hotel Makkah tells a story of expert design, showcasing elegance, sophistication, and comfort. Intricate patterns, curated artwork, and meticulous attention to detail create a luxurious and welcoming ambience.
Come with me to explore more. I absolutely adore this elegant elevator area. The sleek design, the sparkling lights, and the warm ambience all come together to create a truly special space. Do you love it as much as I do? Let's discover more of the DoubleTree Hotel Makkah's hidden gems together.
Rather than wasting any more of your precious time, let me show you to our room. I'm confident you'll absolutely love it. Rooms are designed to provide the utmost comfort and relaxation. Come, take a look, and I'm sure you'll be impressed.
Okay, let's go.
Welcome, I'm showing you our 4-bedroom suite with a stunning city view. As you enter the room, you'll find a modern bathroom fully equipped with all the amenities you need, including list of facilities, such as shower, hairdryer, etc. The bathroom is conveniently located just inside the room, making it easily accessible for all guests. And of course, the room itself offers plenty of space and comfort, with cozy beds and a breathtaking city view to enjoy.
You may upgrade the Holy Haram room view for extra charge.
Check the room, and we will meet with you with another review of hotel soon.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates and videos. Click the bell icon to turn on notifications and stay up to date on our latest content. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members who might be interested. We appreciate your support and can't wait to share more with you soon.